Hey guys, welcome back. I got you another video. Now this happened on 9/7 of 2024 in Bay County, Florida, when there was a little disturbance at an establishment caused by a lady, and the Bay County Sheriff Department was called and she had to be escorted off the premises. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Hi! Who'd you ride here with?
I ride here with Finn.
Did they already leave?
He's right there in that truck right there.
Why can you not get in it?
Because he abuses me as being very, I don't know the word. He abuses me as being very, I don't know, being with you, involved with you. I'm putting my hands up. I don't want anything to do with the law. I'm just surrendering. I'm putting my knees down right now.
All we want to do is get you home.
Okay, and that's all I'm asking for my mom for.
Your mom?
My mother, because she knows my aunt, that's asking, and she's surrendering over there across the street to take me home.
Where's home?
Okay.
Is that where he's heading as well?
I don't know where he's headed. He's been very facetious towards me tonight at this point. I just want to go home, regardless if it's towards me, facetiously. Facetiously.
Can't take you to Jackson County.
Okay, well, where can you take me?
Her friend said she wants to ride back to Marianne. She can ride back with them.
Okay.
Now,
That's what I'm asking him right now.
so can you jump in the Honda and go?
Never.
That's all they're asking at newbies. They just
Well, that's
can't
what
have
I've
you
been
this drunk.
asking you right now.
Go ahead, jump in the car and let's get you home.
That's what I've been asking you.
Come on with it.
Question: either you gonna go or you're not. You need to
That's
figure
what
out
I've been
what you-
asking you.
Listen to what we're saying. Either you're leaving or you're not.
Okay, we can leave that bitch here.
That's fine.
fine.
You're getting in the car.
Okay, I am.
Fine. That's perfect.
That's all they want. There's a Honda right there.
Driver is one that owns the car. She's up front. She wants to talk to him.
Come. You good? You gonna get her back to Jackson County?
I will take her for me.
Outstanding. Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you for handling it. If there's issues while you're driving, rather than fighting and about to crash, just pull over and call the sheriff's office. We'll handle whatever's going on.
Anybody want a cigarette?
Cut me.
Got weed? Yeah, we don't.
Anybody want a cigarette? You got anything hard? I'm gonna hang out for a bit.
Thank you.
Yeah. Fuck me sideways. Come on. Get out. Get out.
Bitch, he has it! Goddamn bitch!
Come with me. Put your hands behind your back. You want somewhere to go? I'll give you somewhere to go. Wait.
I'm sorry.
You have anything on you?
No, I
Phone,
don't.
wallet, anything?
You can check me.
I don't
Try
want
me.
to. I don't want to. I'm just asking if you have a wallet, anything like that.
Try me. It's okay.
Okay, jump up there.
Okay.
Hang out a second. I'm 10:15. Can you search her? I was about to fucking pull away. We got her in her friend's car, and they waved me down. The friend's like, "Can we get some help?" Open the back door. They're fucking fist fighting in the back seat.
What's her name? Jordan. Hello. I don't want anything to do with you because you're the state shaking goddamn immunity. He said, bitch, count immunity towards me.
I just need to search you real quick.
Search me, that's fine. But I want the goddamn prisoner search with me too.
Okay. Be careful.
You're fine. Please, just goddamn search me.
You got anything else gonna put me, prick me, stab me, hurt me?
No, you can search me. I promise. I don't want anything to hurt you.
Oh, face that way. Face that way.
I'm fine.
Spread your legs. Alright, go ahead and get back in the truck.
Okay.
Need any help?
Yeah, it's just a little bit.
Thank you. Got it?
Yes, please unhandcuff me.
That's up to Deputy Wilson. We'll just get back in here for right now. We'll see what we can do, okay?
Okay. But I want that pussy motherfucker named goddamn Jansen Wilson that he can come and...
If you kick me, I will fuck your world up.
I never kicked you.
I'm getting that.
That's fine. I'm out. She's fine.
You want a cigarette? Yeah, right? Can we follow up on that?
Come on now.
Did they already take off?
420. 420.
What's that? Absolutely.
Y'all are?
Absolutely.
Okay, well,
I just tried the other route, and that didn't.
Alright, yeah, don't worry. I'm her boyfriend, and I tried to take that route,
I
bud,
guess.
and she was beating the hell out of me.
They were telling me she needs to go. I'll probably just go detox her. Probably not charge her with anything.
Okay, well, I need to
We'll
call her parents. I'll call her parents.
Okay. What's her name?
Shit. I'll have to think about it.
You know her middle name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Actually, if you would like to, I can call her daddy real quick.
Daddy's in Jackson County, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, he's in Mariana.
Everybody's in Jackson
bed.
County. I mean,
he's in bed in Mariana. Oh. I can call her parents, too, if y'all would like.
How old is she?
22? Yeah, she's
an adult?
Yeah, oh yes, sir. She's over 21.
Alright.
I know she don't have her phone.
She's gonna go handle her business. She's fine.
She's gonna tell you that I put my hands on her. Everybody out here about so I did not.
He didn't. I got you.
She was beating the shit out of me. Did she punch in my mouth?
Shit out of
All kind of shit. I just took it. I mean, I'm not there. I might have grabbed her once or twice to hold her still. Other than that, I didn't put my hands on her. She tried to fucking beat the shit. She beat the shit out of everybody. Fucking tried to have her handle, like, make sure she was okay. Hell, she was running out there on that damn highway.
Look. This is up to you guys. Do you mind if I grab your names?
You just pulled me over. I was the one you pulled over.
With your rights? Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Was she in the car?
No, she wasn't.
Okay, I was gonna
She up
say.
here. That's who you were calling me.
I was gonna say your car's quiet. Okay. Well, shit. I don't need your name there. It's in there somewhere.
It's in there somewhere.
Okay. Wow. Do you have a phone number?
You don't want a cigarette. He might need one, do He might need one, do I'll be honest with you. Can I have one?
Motherfucker! That's goddamn shit!
See what I'm saying? She'll get detoxed and she'll be out in the morning. Can I borrow one of them, bud? Yeah, bud. Need a lighter?
I'm getting at it. Yeah. Thanks. $437.
Good.
10:15 on a female en route to the jail. Copy.
10-4.
Starting is 9:07.
9-7.
I know.
I promise on the word of
423.
God.
Tonight.
I know.
It's just me.
Tonight.
It was never Lauren, please.
No, it was.
Never Lauren.
Right.
It was never Lauren. Please let her go. Please.
We don't have Lauren.
Let her go. Please let Lauren go. It was never Lauren.
Oh man.
It was never Lauren.
Are you calm down a little bit? Can we talk?
451 Bay Avenue.
Hello? You okay? Hi.
10-4.
I tried to get you a ride out of there. What the heck? Why did we have to start fighting with that girl for? That wasn't very fair to me.
443 to 451.
Trying to be polite.
Go ahead, sir. Meet you on East.